Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a salon style manicure at home. It will be a step-by-step guide. So, this is how my nails actually look. Honestly, they are not that bad looking. I have been genetically blessed. The goal is to make it look like this, which is very classy. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove any old polish that is left on your nails. When I am removing my nail polish, I prefer to use acetone-free nail polish remover as they are more gentle on the nails. Acetone-free nail polish remover that I am currently using is by the brand Color Bar. Do check out this video to see the review. I will be uploading it on 13th January. As this video progresses, there will be a lot more pop-ups just like this. Do check them out for more information regarding the product. Step 2. Removing all the dead skin and perfecting the nail bed. The nail bed, which is the cuticle, should look perfect. You know, like a well-made bed. I start by preparing a warm bath just for my hand. I do this by adding 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 cup of water. Give it a quick mix and then I heat it up until it is just warm enough. Next, I place my non-dominant hand, which is my left, in the bowl of warm water and let it sit comfortably for about 5 minutes. This process not only cleans but also softens the skin for pushing the cuticles. Pushing back dry cuticles can be painful. It is best to avoid that. With the help of a cuticle pusher, I gently push back my cuticles by making a nice curve. This makes it appear really nice. You can also try moving the pusher in small circular motion. Be very slow and cautious of the pressure you're using. What I'm actually pushing is in fact called the Epinochium. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Well, it is the white stuff that you see. It is organic and it is also sticky. This method will also remove all the dead skin. And guys, regardless of the tool you're using, make sure it is cleaned properly. This area is very delicate and I do my best not to introduce any bacteria. Do a quick rinse under running water. With the help of a thin cloth, I clean the area under my nails by just running the cloth from one end to another. Remove any hangnails and excess cuticle that are present. As you can see, I don't have that much. Step 3. Time to shape the nails. This is my preferred nail shape. I personally think that this shape suits everyone and every outfit. First, I trim my nails to my desired length. I don't like them too long. Then I trim the sides, just like this. Next, I use a glass nail filer to give my nails the shape I want. When using the filer, always move in one direction. This prevents the nail from getting split. It is a bit difficult to explain as to how I move my file to get the shape, so I want you to focus on my movement. After I'm done with the shaping, I always have some extra nail stuff underneath. So I remove them next by just dragging the file on the nails under the surface. Step 4. Wash the hand. I do a quick wash under running water to remove all the fine powder produced from all the filing. Step 5. Nail care. I take a few drops of almond oil and warm it in the palm of my hand. I then proceed to spread it evenly all around. I also give extra attention to my cuticles. I now wait for 5 minutes to allow the product to soak in. Step 6. Preparing the nail base. No matter what you are doing, if the base is not proper, then the finished look will not be perfect, nor will it be long lasting. I start by dipping a Q-tip into my acetone-free nail polish remover. Then I remove the excess liquid. I only focus on my nails. By doing this, I remove all the oil. Step 7. Protecting the nails. After the nails are dry, I apply a base coat. This protects the nail from getting stained and turning a bit yellow. Step 8. They are ready. Now the nails are finally ready for applying nail polish. Check out this video here for learning how to apply nail polish perfectly at home. And after the nail polish has dried, I apply a top coat. This makes the polish last much longer. Step 9. What about the right hand? As for my right hand, it's my personal choice to keep them completely trimmed and not to use any product on them like base coat and enamel coat. The only steps I don't do are steps 1, 7 and 8. And after step 6, I do step 10, which is the next step. Step 10. Natural looking nails. Using a nail polisher, I very slowly and carefully polish the top part of my nails. Step 11. Applying the lotion. I do a quick hand rinse. I don't have a special cuticle cream. I just apply the body lotion I have on my hands. I do this to prevent my hands from drying up. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to check out my future nail related videos that I'll be uploading. It is a definite must watch for all the newbies out there. Bye!